Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about features of Unix, differences between Unix and Windows and Linux, and flavors of Unix and Linux. So here for this operating system we have n number of features. For example, multi-user, multitasking, and programming facility. We can write some shell script programs and okay, for communication and security. So if you go for multi-user, like more than one user share the same system resources. For example, multi-user means we have a system resources like hard disk, memory, and processor. These things can share by multiple users. So this is one of the feature. If you go for multitasking, it is capable of carrying out more than one job at the same time. Sorry. Earlier I explained like at a time you can do the multiple works or multiple jobs. Okay, and there is a programming facility. In future classes I am going to speak about. There is a one terminology called shell. uh, it provides a shell where we can execute the Unix related commands. Okay, and if you go for another features, portability. It can fit for any type of computer. Like you can, yeah. uh, for, Regarding communication, and it provides a electronic email and a network. One or more computers can communicate with this operating system. There is a mail related commands also available. And most important feature in Unix is security. For example, in any organization, their servers they deploy into the Unix servers, they need more security. Windows servers is also secure, but um, that much great security features are not available. So in Unix, we have three levels of security to protect the data. For individual users, login names and password, and file permissions for read, write, and execute permission for a file, and file encryption. These three security features, it becomes more powerful operating system. Now, differences between Unix and Windows and Linux. If you go for Windows, it is a GUI operating system, like a graphical user interface operating system. Unix and Linux, almost similar concepts are there. It is a CUI and it is user friendly. But Unix is not. Windows is user friendly. Unix is not user friendly. Okay, and it is has a multi-user capability and multitasking capabilities. Okay, and Windows is a not open source. We need to buy a license. But Unix is a Unix is a open source operating system, and Linux is also open source. But there are few flavors called Red Hat. They will give a technical support after purchasing license. So, and and the last one is, these are the below flavors of Unix and Linux. Sun Solar is one of Unix flavor, and HP Unix, IBM AIX. These are the Unix flavors, and there is very popular Red Hat Linux from Red Hat Corporation, and there is another called Fedora and Ubuntu. Why I given important means Red Hat and Ubuntu. Red Hat is the most industry usage Linux flavor, and Ubuntu. Sorry, Ubuntu and Linux Mint, CentOS, and Kali Linux. So what I am telling is, in this all flavors, 90% of the commands are same. For example, in Red Hat, if you want to update the packages, yum install update, you can use the command. If you go for Ubuntu, apt-get update. Like that, few command differences are available and remaining are the same. Thanks for watching.